Hey out there on the internet, how you guys doing today? Well, we're back with another mail call. And I know, you're in the affordable knives section of my channel, and you're going, why am I looking at a mail call? Well, we had a viewer by the name of Kurt Williams reach out and go, hey, I'm going to send you guys some knives to take a look at. And of course I'm going to go, hell yeah! So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to see what was in that box, because I already know. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. God, I'm sorry about that. I'm seriously getting over this illness. But as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at a Ruike P-841L as in Lima. Now, what I thought was cool about this was it's pretty much a big old box to get in here. And yeah, I already got the blade out, so you can't get a sneak peek. Make me giggle. I know the blade's made in China, but there's your warranty card. Now they were nice. Flip it over and, well, there you go. In English. And of course, with it being China, you get basically blueprint tech specs, which I thought was pretty freaking awesome. Okay, well, don't look at that too close. Alright. Now, we're going to put these aside for a moment, because I know what everyone wants to see. You're like, shut up, fat boy. I've been watching this for a little while now. I want to see the blade. Well, there she is. The Ruike P-841L as in Lima. It's got an overall length of 8.19 inches. Close, it's about 4.65. And the blade is 3.54. Now, this is one that I really wish I can get a smaller scale and, like, you know, just weigh this thing on, because it says its weight is like 4.94 ounces. It feels a little heavier than that, to be honest. It feels like right around the 5.1, somewhere around there. But hey, what do I know? Now, the blade steel is Sandvik 14C2 8 November stainless steel. And it's got a Rockwell rating of about 58 to 60. This is what I love. The two-tone G10 scales and how they're layered up here. It just gives it a good feel. To me, it does anyway, when you're holding it in your hand. Not to mention how they have the cut-out little finger charl here. It lays in there so beautiful. Now, as you may have seen, it's got a ball bearing system. It has a flipper open, or it's got dual thumb studs, you know, for ambidextrous. It has a frame lock, and I almost overlooked it before. Safety lock. It ain't moving. I thought that was pretty freaking impressive. You know, it's got a great look to it, and I gotta tell you, honestly, I was impressed by the sharpness. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Just, wow. I mean, talk about cutting air molecules. Just, yeah, I know, a little goofy today, but that's okay. So, I had to do a little bit of searching, because honestly, I've seen Ruike knives on Amazon, but I've never ever bought one. I'm going to have to try after this one, because, well, it's not mine. Got to send it back to the rightful owner. So I'm probably going to end up buying one of these guys, just because of playing around with it. I freaking love it! Well, I could find, well, alright, hold on. Getting off track here. On the back here, I don't know if you can see it too well, it has a website of RuikeKnives.com. Well, when I went there, my browser couldn't find it. It kept sending me elsewhere in weird areas. So I did a search for this blade and found RuikeKnives.ca. So up in Canada, it's going to cost you $55.95. Now I found the same guy over on Amazon for $39.95. God bless it. Now, as we usually do, we take a look at the ratings, and I couldn't find any reviews over on rakeknives.ca. There was just nowhere to input a review. Over on Amazon, it has a 5 out of 5 star rating, and it's only got 2 reviews. So either it's pretty brand new, or no one really friggin' wants to leave a review on it for some reason. I like it. I seriously like the look of it, the feel of it, just how it fits in my hands, how sharp it frickin' is. Yes, I know, blades will dull over time, but, give me my geek moment here, okay? But, that's my really, really quick look on a tabletop on it. I'd like to know what you think down below. Leave me your questions, your comments, your hatred, whatever, your love. I don't care. Leave me something. If you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to even view my video. I know there's lots of options out there in YouTube, and I'm very flattered you picked one of mine. You're going to see a symbol popping up right down here. Go and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. And trust me, subscribers are really, really, really important nowadays, so I can use as many as I can get. So please, please help a poor YouTuber out. Please, sir. Please. Okay, there's my whiny, pathetic voice. Did it work? Hopefully, huh? Alright, so right after you smash that subscribe button, please click on the bell icon that's right next to it. That will notify you every single time we put a video up. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a good fit for you. Well, there we go, guys. My quick look at the Ruike P-841L. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.